Hello everyone. Our new topic is why do we fall ill? Now we are going to discuss about how and why we fall ill and why we have the uncomfortable conditions. So before discussing about it, we should know about when or how we are going to identify that we are healthy or we are diseased, that we are having any condition or not. So health is a state of physical, mental and social well-being. Physical, mental and social well-being, that when a person is completely fit from the physical aspects, mental aspects or the social aspects, he should be called healthy. On the other hand, if a person is not having any of the conditions, it means that it is unhealthy. And if that unhealthy condition is caused due to any pathogen, due to any microbe, then the condition is called the diseased condition. Just like a person is very good in sports, but he is suffering from the mental stress. He is physically fit but not the mentally. A child is very good in the game. As another example, we can say that a child which is very good in the games, in the physical form, he is very good. He is mentally sharp as well. He is having no mental problem, neither depression nor any kind of thought. He is very good in logical, in all kind of activities. He is very good, but the social condition of his is not of good kind. Like the child is living in such an area where he is suffering or he is having a risk of communicable diseases due to the polluted or due to the dirty condition of its own surrounding. Or similarly, it might be possible that he live in an area which is overpopulated where he is not having the condition to study as well. Okay, so a child may or may not be physically, mentally, or socially well. That is, he is not healthy. While he was not having any pathogen in his body, he was not having any of the microbe, any of the uncomfortable condition other than the physical, mental, or the social aspect of his life. That is, he is healthy or not. So we can say that a person may be diseased, a person may not be diseased, he may be healthy, may not be healthy. Okay, in the above example, we can see very clearly that the child was physically not fit, either mentally or socially not fit. Whereas, from the point of aspect that he was having no disease, no symptoms. Okay. Now, on the other hand, if he is having any kind of uncomfortable condition, then it should be the diseased condition. That is the discomfort of the body, either physical, mental, or any other aspect. Okay, and the disease could be caused by external or the internal factors. It is the disease like when we are having COVID, it is an external factor. When we are having the diabetes, it may be due to the internal factor like the diet, the food items. We are having a lot of carbohydrates or something. We are having the malfunctioning of our digestive system, malfunctioning of the endocrine system. It might be possible. Now, further, the diseases are classified under many categories like acute and chronic diseases on the behalf of the time for which they last. Means the disease कितने टाइम के लिए प्रेजेंट है, द डिजीज इज प्रेजेंट फॉर हाउ मच टाइम, हाउ मच इट इज डैमेजिंग टू द बॉडी, how much time it is taking to recover. Like acute diseases which last for very short period of time, whereas the chronic diseases last for the long period of time. So the diseases that generally last for the very short period of time are called acute. On the other hand, that last for the long period of time are called chronic diseases. Second, the acute diseases, since they last for the short period, so generally they causes very less damage to the body. And chronic diseases, generally they last for the long time, so generally they causes very much damage to the body. Okay, and since they causes much damage, so chronic diseases take a lot of time to get recovered, to get healed, whereas the acute diseases are generally took less time. Why we use the word generally? Because it is a general character, not the specific one. Okay, so this is all about the disease and health, a general introduction about the disease and the health. Thank you.